I wanted to, in the same vein, I want to, last week, was it last week or week before? I don't remember, I can't remember. Alhamdulillah, Saudi Arabia has lifted a lot of their laws, a lot of their Hajj laws and restrictions that they had last year. So, last year I was like, no, going back to Hajj again. These laws are totally, totally devastating, can't go. But alhamdulillah, they have lifted all these laws. So I know there have been a lot of brothers and sisters in the last couple of months have been coming to me and asking me, but I took nobody names and nobody numbers, so forgive me for that. So anybody, I finally have just made the intention now that they open back the laws, because I said people my age cannot go to Hajj. And I'm like, what? Is that? But alhamdulillah, now it opened back, alhamdulillah. So that's it. So those of you, yes, it was a law you couldn't go if you were after 65. I'm 65 Islamic anyhow. But mashallah, and I have no problem with age because that's barakat from Allah. Those of you, if you're aging, forget about aging, when you're young, go to Hajj. If you reach old and you can't go or you're sick, if you're sick or you don't have the health, then you're supposed to try to do Hajj badal, meaning pay for someone to go to Hajj and let them go fi sabilillah for your deceased parents or for yourself who are sick. Don't just whine that I'm sick and I can't go. Oh, Saudi, the laws have opened back. So contact us if you need to know the laws of that. You got some parents you benefited and inherited, or Allah blessed you and they didn't do Hajj, and you want to do Hajj for them, let us know. We can make arrangements for that. You're sick and you can't go, let us know, because you never could tell. Saudi is a very interesting country. They could shut down today and could open back tomorrow, like what they did last year. Very complicated. So if you have the life and you have the health and the wealth and you could make it, I made the intention. So those who want to and had been asking me, feel free to let us know, inshallah.